Brooke and Aaron, as you start this new chapter of your lives together, I'd like you to remember these few words. Don't marry the person you think you can live with, but marry the person you can't live without. I am so happy for you both that you have found one person, and even happier that it's with each other.
Of course, we wouldn't be here today without a proposal story, and that's something I'd also like to share with you. The gorgeous couple organised a romantic trip to Fiji for Brooke's 21st. So after the birthday dinner, they went for a walk along the water to watch the sunset. And they got to a perfect little spot and sat down to enjoy the sun. Aaron pulled out a ring and asked, "Brooke, will you marry me?" And how did she respond? Well, she swore at him and then crash-tackled him into the sand. I think that's the best response to that question I've ever been told before.
Over the last 8 years, I've watched Aaron grow and develop into the absolute legend of a person he is today. Aaron, you radiate positive energy and are an absolute hoot to be around. You are the only person I know who regularly texts me asking me how my day went, which may have had Brooke question the extent of our relationship once or twice. But Brooke, if Aaron shows you even half the amount of thoughtfulness he shows towards others, you will have a very loving marriage.
Brooke, I stand in front of you. I promise to love you through all the good times, support you during the bad. I promise I will put you in front of my beloved sport, which I know drives you insane, just like your love of chocolate does to me. I promise to love you and make you smile, to make you laugh every day and put up with your stubbornnness. I promise to support you whatever the future brings us, be by your side every step of the way, whatever that may be. Today we start our lives together and I couldn't be more excited to share with the love of my life.
I call upon the people here present to witness that I, Brooke Elise Francis, take Aaron Hade to be my lawfully wedded husband. Aaron, I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and the couple will be together as husband and wife. With my whole heart, I take you as my husband, acknowledging and accepting your faults and strengths as you do mine. I promise to be faithful and supportive, to always be your personal spell check, and to always fake laugh at your horrible dreams. I will be yours in sickness and in health, in failure and in triumph. I will dream with you, celebrate with you, and I'll walk by your side through whatever our lives bring. You are my best friend, my love of my life, today and always.
May kiss your beautiful bride.
Won't see it on the 6 o'clock news. It's now waiting in the mail, addressed to you. It's getting harder and harder to see through the smoke. It's never been easier to overlook. It's getting harder and harder and harder to say these days. But when I see the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another day, I believe. I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love that gives me faith, and I believe.
As I look at my daughter, or should I say our daughter, I can't help but reflect on all the years we've had to watch her grow into and become such a beautiful woman she is today. As a kid, they step on your toes. As an adult, they step on your heart. She's my little bub, my princess, our little girl, and no matter what her age, she will always be that. But this day is their day, Aaron and Brooke's day. Well, actually, Brooke and Aaron's day, because from now on, boy, you're always going to be the yes man.
See the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another day.
stand here today, I'm honoured to be married to my best friend. I'm very grateful that I took that chance early to connect with us. I'm grateful for what we experienced thus far together, and I'm excited to see what the future holds us together.
When I see the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another